Credit Karma gives you access to 2 credit bureau reports for free, while Credit Sesame focuses more on identity protection and credit tracking tools. That one difference changes who each app makes sense for. By the end of this, you'll know which one is better for checking your credit, spotting problems, and improving your score. Here's the quick answer. If you want broader credit report coverage, Credit Karma usually wins. If you care more about identity theft monitoring and credit alerts, Credit Sesame can be the better fit. Start with the scores. Credit Karma gives you Vantage Score 3 from TransUnion and Equifax. That means you're seeing 2 bureau-based scores in one place. Credit Sesame usually gives you a TransUnion-based score and focuses more on changes tied to that report. That's the first major gap. 2 reports give you a wider view because lenders can pull from different bureaus. If one bureau has an error, Credit Karma makes it easier to catch it faster. Now, look at the features. Credit Karma is strong for credit education. It shows credit utilization, payment history, hard inquiries, and account age in simple breakdowns. It also recommends credit cards and loans based on your profile. That makes it useful if you're actively building credit. Credit Sesame leans more into protection. It offers fraud monitoring, identity theft alerts, and credit change tracking. If your goal is protecting your file instead of applying for new credit, that matters more. This is where the choice gets practical. If you're trying to raise your score in the next 3 to 6 months, Credit Karma usually gives you better insight because you can track more accounts across more data. If you're worried about fraud, Credit Sesame adds extra monitoring tools that can help you spot unusual activity sooner. One thing to understand: both apps use Vantage Score, not FICO. That means neither one shows the exact score many lenders use. Your real lending score can still be different. That's why people think one app is wrong when it's just using a different scoring model. Quick summary. Credit Karma is better for broader credit tracking, easier score improvement tools, and seeing more bureau data. Credit Sesame is better for identity protection and focused monitoring. Best next step: if you're serious about building credit, use Credit Karma first. If you want extra fraud alerts on top of that, add Credit Sesame as a backup. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more simple credit comparisons.